A shoe manufacturing company providing excellent customer service to create long-term relationship with Caleres. We're going to take you through the journey and vision of Caleres and RichEver Corporation in the next 2 years. Specifically, we will discuss thoroughly the plan for the 2021 to 2022 period. Vision. Our vision is to become a leading company in shoe manufacturing whilst providing excellent customer service, and in turn we can create a long-term relationship with Caleres and RichEver. Over the past 6 months, we have made great progress in the realisation of our strategic plans, including maintaining zero delay on orders and improving quality of our product to meet the standard of Caleres. In light of the current COVID-19 pandemic, we have managed to maintain our manufacturing operations with Caleres, and we highly appreciate your support of our company during that tough time. We strongly believe that in our future, Caleres will be one of the most important clients for us. Our strategy is clear, and it is our mission to deliver sustained growth and create value by using our core strengths, including additional production line and an investment in updated machinery to solve our customers' increasingly complex problems such as CNC, mould and 3D design with iCAD 3D. The plan. Fourth quarter 2020. In the last quarter of 2020, we received orders and have commenced production. First quarter of 2021, we intend to expand production and increase demand from our consumers. We currently have 6 production lines and only 2 are for Caleres. In the first quarter of 2021, it is our aim to expand to 9 production lines, increasing Caleres to 3 to 4 production lines. We will also start offering production of samples, which we are currently sourcing from an outside sample room, to assist in developing more styles and creating a wider range of product for you. Second quarter of 2021. In the second quarter of 2021, in order to provide the best service in development and output, we intend to continue to develop samples in China at around 50%. The remaining 50% of samples will be moved to Vietnam to speed up the production process. Third quarter of 2021. At the beginning of the third quarter of 2021, we will completely transfer the development of samples to Vietnam for faster speed to market. Whilst developing in Vietnam, the samples component is not required to be remade and material is sourced by the factory, thus saving approximately 20 days in the production. How? Today's number one priority for fashion brands, retailers and consumer goods companies can be summed up in a single phrase: speed to market. The push towards faster cycle times is driven by the "we want it now" mindset of today's consumers. Fast fashion, social media and e-commerce have trained consumers to expect product faster, turning today's shoppers into the now generation. Therefore, brands and retailers have made progress in speed to market in recent years, but it is not nearly enough to satisfy consumer expectations. In order to speed up product cycle times, companies are stepping on the accelerator more than ever before with a sharp focus on increased supply chain efficiency. So that we may achieve faster speed to market and save 4 to 8 weeks off of cycle time, Caleres must improve processes that occur both before and after the purchase order is made by the consumer by saving time between development and bulk production and limiting to approximately 30 days. RichEver can make it happen. RichEver have all functioning machines to make everything from the factory, such as molds, heel, outsole, insole and top lift, whereas other factories must purchase each from separate suppliers, taking more time than what we can offer by having everything in the one factory. Inside our factory, we have a mold shop and component injection. In the future, to improve processes and improve development turnaround time, we could utilize a TPU, TPR, TR, ABS, PP insole, and insole. PU and EVA have supplier in Vietnam, which is where we intend on moving 100% of our development. The timeline for developing in our factory for commercialization should be shorter from 7 to 10 days to proceed, including electroplate finish. Therefore, our aim is to have a production timeline of under 60 days. Furthermore, there is a 3D printer in our sample room, allowing us to work on 3D samples and send to consumers for quicker review and approval, thus speeding up the process again. all components of the sample will fit to each other, as we would make the outsole, heel and top lift in our factory, so that our ability to match of all components are unbeatable. What we provide outstanding service and unique products such as 2 new constructions a month and 10 patents for old constructions a month, totally around 20 patents a month. By 2022, we will increase that number by 3 new constructions a month and 25 patents for old constructions a month, totally around 30 to 50 patents a month. In the past, we have worked with passion while supported by basic tools and basic software. Now, while still maintaining our passion, we are adding more advanced technology to meet our customers' high demand. Professionalism is our priority. Overview? Let's take an overview of one of the important departments. Our team's strength lies in the high quality of our finished shoes and footwear, the power of our team, and the state-of-the-art, well-equipped shoe and footwear manufacturing factory that we own. We have a team of highly trained and experienced shoe and footwear designers, manufacturers, and support staff members that can give 100% to produce high-quality, fashionable footwear. The sample room is always invested and innovated by new machines with latest technology. The sample room is divided into 5 teams specialising in different aspects. Planning, 12 masters in charge of preparing internal sample requests and production orders and checking material usage. The pattern makers, 30 makers divided into 2 teams, which are upper and bottom designer. Sample stitching staff, we have 30 staff in this department. Mould shop, 10 workers in this department. And sample assembly line, 10 workers are in this department. Most footwear designers are still sketching on paper or drawing and illustrating. This is how we want to quantify and reduce prototyping and speed up the process. The traditional process could request up to 5 proto to meet designer's standard. However, when we have 3D design of shoes, we can have a 3D render made within 1 to 2 days in the office and have a digital review with Caleres PD to get correction and comment. Then open component and paper pattern with more than 95% accuracy of samples to show the designer or PD, speeding up the development process and providing optimum efficiency to the consumer. Benefits? The 3D printers and iCAD 3D Pro brings many benefits to the shoe industry, such as review digital design in 3D. Material can be viewed immediately and alternate options can be shown during the review. Comments may also be entered, even via iPad. Designer and developers can discuss in real time with Caleres PD decisions on 3D images before sampling, and outsole and last shaper are accurately viewed as opposed to paper sketches. 2021 goals. In 2021, we aim to produce over 1 million pairs of shoes. In 2022, our goal is over 1.5 million pairs of shoes. We have also discussed ideas that may improve the development stage in Vietnam, such as a wider range of nominated suppliers in Vietnam and use local last suppliers for faster modification in development. The value we bring? We have modern facilities. Innovation is our core strategy year to year. We take full responsibility for what we commit to in our agreement. We strive to ensure the products can be controlled faster and better, and our goal is to further increase business growth on a more international scale. Let us make this happen. To prove to you that our factory can get your products into the hands of your consumers shorter than current method, we would like Caleres to give us an opportunity to deliver 10,000 pairs in less than 60 days on a product we developed.